Hi guys, it's Tony from Toys RC Tech. I've got the Toys ZP1001 TRX4 clone. Anyway, I'll just show you what I've done to it already, right? So I've got some decals here, so Land Rover there, so they're like what is it, steel looking ones. Anyway, yeah, so I've got them on, obviously painted all that there. Then I've done the wheels, yeah, so you can see the Conqueror, right? Also with I'm just going to give you a quick rundown. So I basically took the foams out of these and aired them, drilled 3 holes on the inside, like that, and now it's really fantastic. And these wheels are actually quite good. So I've done that, put some stickers on there, and you have a look around here, again, some nice little Land Rover stickers and stuff like that, and turn it around there, yep, and some stickers there, and just painted a few little bits and bobs so it looks more realistic. I've got the Land Rover Ford sign there on the front, right? So basically, as you can see that as well. Also, if I take the body off, oh, I've done the paint up there as well, so make it more realistic. So there's the body there. Right, also, right, so this is what I'm going to be upgrading this in a minute. Right, so I've done these shocks here, oil-filled shocks, and now, absolutely fantastic. So I can get it right to, there's my fist there. So look at that, and the other side's not moving, probably even get more. Yeah, you can get more than the fist. So that's good articulation there, guys. So also I've painted the weights here as well, so they're not like in your face type thing. So I'm going to be swapping the ESC, Servo, and I'm going to be the controller as well. So basically, look at that. Look at that, guys, amazing. See? Anyway, so that's that. So, oh, still got soil, and this is not going to be happy about that. So anyway, right, so I've got the controller, AUSTAR hobby, yeah, and it's a 2.4 gigahertz 4 digital radio control system. This is from Banggood, this, by the way, guys. All these upgrades are from Banggood, and they'll be in the description as well below. So you will find all these descriptions as well for all the upgrades when you get one of these, or if you want to put them in anything else. But I've seen good reviews of this controller, and it's very good for its money as well. So anyway, yeah, you get a receiver with it, and obviously the controller as well. Just let's open it and see what you get. Sorry I've been busy, guys. I've just been so busy at work. I'm actually doing this now after work. So I'm just trying to do things. I've not been outside or nothing because of the weather. So anyway, there's your 4-channel receiver as you go. And then there's your remote control. Oh, you get the sticky thing as well for your receiver. Right, you also get, again, your control, your instructions, how to bind it and all that stuff. But again, I think I've seen it, and it's so simple on here. And there's your controller. It's quite nice, actually. And I actually prefer the buttons on top, because sometimes they're on the side, and as you go to get the control, you can actually move the dials and stuff. But with it being on top, you've got no chance of moving. It actually feels so nice. So this is a 4-channel radio, guys. So there you go. So you got channel 3 bind, channel 4 bind, throttle trim, normal, reverse, trim, steering and throttle. Okay, so there's your controller. Right, so that's the first bit. Then obviously the second one, what's going into the truck, is a servo, which comes with all the little thingamajigs there, all the little parts you need. And this is the little mini micro servo. Again, this is going to be in the description. So there's the servo, quite strong, and it's brushless as well. Brushless or brushed? I don't know. Cogs, steel cogs. I don't know, brushless. I mean, it's got the steel aluminium cogs and that in there. So or brass cogs. I don't know. Anyway, it's metal. metal digital, yeah. So anyway guys, so that's that. As you can see with the steel brand cordless motor steel, yeah. And that, again, that's from Banggood as well. So that should fit in there easy. And also, I've got, I know this video will probably go on a bit guys, but needs to be done. So I've got Hobby Wing, QuicRun 160 brushed electronic speed controller. These are fantastic, it's waterproof, and swear by these. You can run 3S on these as well guys. So if you go over to, can't remember. Right, anyway, doesn't matter. So here's the receiver. I've just finished work guys, so I'm a bit tired, so my head's a bit battered at the moment. So anyway, it basically comes with these sleeves here, which I didn't use. I should have used them, but I just used my own because it comes with a Tamiya plug. Right, but obviously I'm going to be using the Dean's, which is a T plug here, and I've already put it on and soldered it. So there you go, there's my nice neat work there. I've made it waterproof as well, because you don't want any water going in there either. So anyway, yeah, and make sure these here, if you're using LiPo, you've got nickel metal hydrate on that side, and then you've got obviously the LiPo. So make sure you take it out and put the LiPo in there. Okay, so I'm going to put all this together with the battery, right, and then I'm going to start it up and show you how to bind it. Simple as that, right, and then I'm going to be putting it into the car. Okay, I'm not going to do a build video, I'm just going to put it into the car and then I'll show you exactly what it does. Okie dokie, give me a minute. Right guys, I just want to show you this. I forgot to tell you it takes 4 AA's there, yeah, and it's also, I think the tray comes out and you can put a JST lead on the back there. Right, but 4 AA's, that's ample, that's fantastic that. Right, so basically I'm just going to show you how to bind the remote control to the receiver and everything, fingers crossed, hopefully works guys in one go. So again, first time out the box and I'm just going to try and do it, yeah. So I'll just show you the setup. You've got your battery, then you've got it connected to your ESC, right, and then you've got the ESC connected then to your receiver, right, and it's in channel 2, right, and then you've got your servo. I've connected the servo as well into channel 1, and the bind plug which is there. So there's your bind plug there, which comes with the remote control. So you just put that in 3, which is there. Okay, so hope, fingers crossed, right, it all goes to plan. So I'm going to show you how easy it is, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it goes well. So here we go, first time guys. So what I'm going to do, yeah, is I'm going to press the bind button and then press both of them at the same time, switch that on and the power on at the same time, as well as pressing the bind button. So bind button on, and then hopefully we've got a solid blue. Fingers crossed, when I take this bind plug out, we've got, oh, there we go guys. I don't know if you can see it moving. You can hear it moving with it. And that's how easy it is to bind this. So all it was again, I'll just say it again. So I've just pressed the channel 4 bind plug, right, turned that on and that on at the same time, and just, that's it. Just put it on the same time and then it's done. So I should be able to turn this off, turn the remote control off, turn it back on, turn that on, and it should be still bound. Yep, it's still bound guys. Okay, so there you go. And I'll just show you, because you can't obviously see, but I'll just get these little things out here and I'll just plonk it on there. Hang on. And then I'll just move, there you go. So there you go, you can see it. Right, so that's bound. So the next bit now guys, is I'm going to put all this in here. Okie dokie. So I'm going to do all that and then I'll show you. Hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes to plan again. Okie dokie. Sorry, I just want to say something as well on this remote control here guys. So basically, I've just, on here, I can just zoom in. So on here, yeah, it's got a speed controller as well. So you can actually have it really low or really high. So that's good as well for, you know, like bashing cars as well. If you want your kids to have a go and all that stuff. So you can put it on the low rate. And when they get a bit more confident, turn it up as well. So that's a good thing as well. So here we go. Here it is. Right, all connected and up and running. Right, so there's the 1060 ESC hobby wing. There you go. Fantastic. This is one fantastic ESC. Right, and then there you go. All nice and neat there. And what I've done is this come in a box here. So this had little clips there where you put your screws, so I've removed them there, so the receiver fits nicely in there and the hobby wing ESC fits nicely there, so it's all nice and neat. I actually might put the lid on this to make it even more and then just seal it, so I don't know yet, might do. But as you can see, all nice and neat there, right, and I'll just show you. Hang on, why am I... There you go. Look at that now. Proper, more responsive. And I'll just show you the... If you can see it. Right, so there's... I'm trying to do this one-handed, guys. So there's the servo there. Nice. So there you go. Right, so that's the servo win as well. Guys, you need to get one of these trucks. Oh, hang on. You need to get one of these trucks, guys, because they're absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing for the price. I know I keep saying TRX4 clone, but I should be saying look-alike, really, not clone. But anyway, because the body's the same, and say the bumpers and that, but all the insides are different, so basically it's a look-alike. Anyway, so also I'll just show you these tyres, what I got for them. Super swampy tyres. I don't know why my video is going out of focus. Super swampy tyres, absolutely amazing, and I could not believe that they fitted on this. These tyres are a game changer. Now, if you've seen my other video, right, have you seen my other videos of the crawling videos with stock tyres and everything, absolutely done amazing on Hamburger Hill. Get onto them videos, guys, if you've not seen them, the running videos. This is why I don't really need to do a running video on this yet, because you've seen it on stock. So this is going to be absolutely even more amazing on with all these internals, right? Also, but these tyres are absolutely amazing. I'm going to put the body on, right, because I've actually installed new lights here. So put new lights on here, so they're brighter. So I'll install them now and I'll just show you them as well. Okay, doke, guys, bear with me. Guys, how good does that body look on them with them wheels? And I cannot believe they work and they fit on this model. I'm going to leave a link to that as well. I think them wheels are off eBay. Right, there's the lights as well. So how good do them lights look as well? There you go. Fantastic. And the grip on these tyres, I know you can hear that there, but oh my god, these are beadlock tyres as well. And the good thing about it, they've got covers here which go over, and you know, they're just super soft. And for the price, I think £17, guys, with the tyres and the rims, unbelievable. I'm sure they've only got one left, so you have to be quick to get these. So anyway, yeah, so there you go. Oh, got the Northwest Crew sticker on there as well. Let me just do there. I don't know why it's going in and out of focus. I think it's because I'm in the living room. But anyway, also as well, I discovered on the remote control that when the light blinks as well, that means the battery's running out, because it's just started blinking. I'm thinking, why is it blinking? So I must have put low batteries in it. So I've changed the batteries in it anyway, and it stopped blinking. So that's another bonus as well. So yeah, so I've got it on 10 at the moment, so you can just turn it down. So you can just turn it down like that to slow rate if you want to go any slower. So if I can put that on slow like that and put this on. Oh, see, it's going out of focus again, guys, and I don't know why it's doing it. See? That's nice, that. You can go really slow like that. That is nice. And then you can go super fast. There you go. And this car actually does wheelies, by the way, but I'm not going to do it. I'll do it when I've got the camera set up on my phone. So anyway, guys, there it is. Right, sorry about the video being so long, but it has to be done. I think everyone should have one of these, and I'm not just saying it, but they're absolutely for the money. Oh my God, guys, you just can't go wrong. And then obviously with the upgrade, so you're talking say £150 at the most. But for the, I'm going to say hobby grade now, because this is a hobby grade now car. And I'm telling you that now. I mean, look at that as well. Bang on. And then wheels have just made a massive difference because it just looks amazing. Right, guys, can't wait to go out on a trail with this. So, again, if you have not looked at my other videos on this, get onto my other videos, guys, and have a look at them. You will not be disappointed because this is amazing. And then videos are on stock as well. Well, apart from the shocks. So, there you go. As you can see, guys, it works absolutely fantastic with the steering mod. There you go. Absolutely superb. And then wheels on it look amazing, I think, anyway. Again, you can go as slow as you want with it on a nice trail. So there you go, guys. TRX4 look-alike, and there you go. Fantastic, bloody fantastic. RC Tech out. Boom.